Navigating the social landscape often feels like an uphill battle, with invisible barriers impacting our quest for connectivity. The nervous flutter as you enter a bustling room, the hesitation before starting a conversation, and the overwhelming sense of speaking in a crowded space. These common social hurdles are not just personal, they're universal. Recognizing and understanding these challenges is the first step towards overcoming them. It's about seeing feeling shy, struggling to initiate dialogue, and fearing public speaking not as insurmountable walls, but as shared experiences that we can move beyond. With each hurdle crossed, we not only come closer to others, but also to the person we aim to become. In the next segment, we'll explore practical strategies designed to turn these challenges into opportunities for social success. Transcending social hurdles introduces a realm of connection and growth, tailored through actionable steps towards engaging confidently in interactions. At the core is mastering active listening, which involves full concentration on the speaker, understanding their message, and providing thoughtful feedback. This foundational skill makes others feel valued and deepens connections. Introducing open-ended questions fosters a dialogic environment, encouraging richer exchanges. Immersing oneself in groups with shared interests naturally eases conversations and cultivates connections. Addressing the common fear of public speaking, we find that practice, gradual exposure, and a focus on the message can dismantle this barrier, enhancing our ability to communicate effectively in various settings. These strategies are not merely tools but stepping stones to a more sociable, confident existence, improving both social skills and self-assurance as we venture further. Embarking on this transformative journey of sociability culminates in a deep appreciation of its benefits, extending beyond personal to professional realms. Imagine fostering compelling relationships with friends, family, and colleagues, each interaction brimming with meaning. This evolving confidence doesn't just reside within, it influences every interaction, propelling professional growth and opening up a world of networking and career opportunities. Overcoming social hurdles and mastering strategic communications enrich all facets of life, unveiling a wealth of personal and professional prospects. As we conclude, envisage a future where applied sociability opens doors to limitless possibilities, illustrating that the pathway to enhance social skills is not only about overcoming, but about thriving personally and professionally.